Commissioner for Education, Lagos State, the principal of the great school, Koka Secondary School. My fellow students, today I am a student. I am a student today because I was once here. This is exactly 34 years. This is 34 good years. We love this show. And here I am again today with you. That is why I am still a student. And if I say I didn't learn anything or I will not learn anything from you today, I'm a liar. Well, I happen to be the first senior prefect of this school. We enjoyed staying here, but today I am sure we enjoy here more than we did. Because back then, our neighboring schools, there is a name they called us there. Because there was an abattoir at this market. So other schools now nickname us Orile School. You know, but to prove to them that we were not Orile School, during our work, we performed better than so many of them. Our school started 1982. So you can see, it is not those that started first that will lead. Even you that started after still go ahead of them. So today we are here. With the program going on today, International Day of Education. We, as the old students of this school, especially the 1987 set, decided to key into that program to come and see you people and say well done. And thank you for keeping our performance academically and other areas. This school has produced a number of men and women all over the world. Let me mention one name for you. You know of Obafemi Martin, a former Super Eagles player. He's from this school. Law, medicine, journalism, accountancy, whatever area you think of, Koka Secondary School produced. So, what name they used to call us then? Orile School. I'm telling you today that your new name, if you don't have any, is the Kokites. Kokites. Because to say it a program of this school, and you are cockeyed by virtue of being a student. You don't have any other but I am a cockeyed. And you can see my other colleagues here too. Yeah, so I am challenging you people to keep that flying. Keep flying. Don't relent. Like other speakers said, the school that presented the speech here, education is the key. And if you don't have it, I don't know where you find yourself. So you do yourself a world of good by paying attention to your studies. Listen to your teachers, your principal, even your fellow students. This company you are seeing like this today was not like this before. You know, we built Coca. When I say we built Coca, we passed through Coca. Coca passed through us. So, everywhere that now Coca Secondary School is mentioned, it rings a bell. To those who know. So, what I'm trying to tell this afternoon is that we are the Alumni Association that still forming the association. Though we formed it, but not as strong as it used to be. And we are inviting all the past students to come and join. Those of you that are seated here, when you graduate successfully by the grace of God, you will join the association. So, I will end by saying, God will lead you all to your destinies in Jesus.